Hello everyone, welcome to this case study video on Amazon Web Services. AWS how helping in the cloud computing for the corporate companies to provide plenty of applications to the end users. So in that case study, we are going to discuss a few things about the AWS, how AWS helping in the real time in the global.
Okay, now I am going to explain about the how the session is going about outline of the session. So first we will go about the introduction of the session, AWS introduction. So next, continuing the introduction, here we are going to explain about the global infrastructure, cloud services, benefits and features, architectures, and then finally we conclude the session with the conclusion and the critical evaluation of the AWS cloud services. Okay.
Good afternoon. I am Navin Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about AWS with the cloud service. First of all, we all know about Amazon. Amazon is an online store, and it launches in 1995 by Jeff Bezos. And after 2006, they launched AWS, like Amazon Web Service, cloud computing. They provide various of web services and together with cloud computing platform. And AWS is used to we as pay what we used in their server.
AWS offers, there are 6 types of service. First, computer service, next storage service, and then deployment and management service, and then database service, networking and CDN service, and then application service. First example application service are Google Drive and AWS, and then CDN service are examples are Amazon S3 and Amazon 8.
The features of AWS is that it is a pay-as-you-go model, which means you only have to pay for the storage which you are actually using. So it is inexpensive, it is highly secure and available.
How will you say it's a pay for using? Can you relate any example in this
Such
case?
as Netflix, we only have to pay for the storage we are actually using. They only pay for the content they are storing in the main cloud. It's available in all zones, and it uses parallel processing by elastic load balancer. It also has disaster recovery by replications DPC.
So here the Amazon Simple Storage services. Here the data storage infrastructures are being supported by tens to thousands of computer systems in all around the world. And also it write and read and deletes all the at any time, the objects have been write and read and created by any times and anywhere. And this can be read and write that with the object of 1 bit to 5 trilobits, and it also replicables and also secured in a symmetric keys of encrypted descriptions.
So let me discuss about the use case of the AWS. So Netflix migrates its operation to the AWS, Amazon Web Services, adopting a native cloud computing that supports global distribution and high
Can you
availability.
tell me what is native cloud computing?
So which stores all the details in clouds, so that makes the Netflix to act faster for the searches and the operations of the.
Can you say how AWS incorporated in Netflix?
So Netflix stores their movies, series, and their videos in cloud, so that they can do not use a separate server for their storages. So by using this, the Netflix can able to give a seamless streaming over 190 plus countries, and we can able to get 99.9% fluidity, and it has low cost in AWS.
Okay, then the next part of AWS is CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a web service. It provides and monitoring all AWS cloud resources and applications. For example, CPU, utilization, disk read and write, and other networks.
Can you tell how to relate with our case study as you have said Netflix? Can you continue with that how AWS
first of all, Netflix also their own server, but they probably have managed the user detail and the user traffic. So, example, in one same time, millions of users use the same server. So they also use pay and they use AWS service to manage the videos and their database and the storage.
From this, we can conclude how the AWS case helping in the major like Netflix and other corporate companies to the end users to get the benefit of cloud computing services, and also AWS plays a vital role globally to make the end users very helpful for using the plenty of applications. So thank you.